Hello from Italy. My name is Franca Qualia. I'm store manager in IKEA store in Salerno. We are using Beacon app and we are so happy of this tool because, like a movie, in real time we can see if our co-workers are happy. For example, according to the dashboard, we can see if the goals are clear or if there is a need of a further education, because we are in the middle of a big organizational change. We are doing this test for Italy and also for our global organization. I would like to underline, moreover, the people that are behind this app, full of energy, talented, willing to give you the right product for your needs, a tailor-made service. And it's not expensive, so why don't you try it? If you need any further information from my side, I am at your full disposal. Thank you, take care.